Okay, sir. On my way. Boss is calling.
Good morning, team.
Good morning.
I'm excited to announce our new line of smart appliances. We're going to revolutionize the way people live.
Joshua, this is ambitious. We need a detailed plan. What's the timeline for production, development, and launch?
We need to analyze the budget and potential cost. What's the expected outcome?
We need a strong marketing campaign to create a platform reach for the audience. We need to ensure our production lines can handle the increased demand.
And then start building a sales and feel of the new product.
When? Increase what skills technician for installation and support.
Excuse me. Team, here's the proposed structure for managing the new product launch. Each department will have its specific responsibilities.
This looks good. We will need reliance on communication and accountability.
We allocated the budget for each piece of the project. We need to stay within financial constraints.
And create a marketing timeline with relationship campaigns, press release, and influencer partnership. Also, optimize our production schedule to ensure efficient manufacture and quality delivery. Access cells are developed with creative training for the sales pitch.
I started the process for new staff and develop onboarding programs.
We successfully recruit a talented team. We have skilled engineers, marketing specialists, and sales representatives.
Great work, Rosie. We need to ensure everyone is properly trained and integrated into the team.
Well, provide ongoing training and development opportunities to keep our staff engaged and motivated.
We need to ensure we have the right resources and support for our employees.
Well, create capacity to collaborate work, environment to foster creativity and innovation, and provide clear instructions and the support for our production team. And coordinate our sales team with basic expectations with the new products.
Okay. Team, can you please call forward? We're facing a challenging but existing opportunity. We need to work together, communicate effectively, and stay focused on our goals.
We need to be adaptable and adjust our plans as needed. We're all in this together.
We need to be physically responsible and make sound financial decisions.
We need to be creative and innovative in our marketing efforts. We need to maintain high quality standards in our production processes. We need to be president in revenue our sales level.
And we need to create a positive and supportive work environment for our employees.
limited budget, but we need to monitor our expenses closely.
Our social media campaigns is performing well, but we need to increase engagements. We will identify potential quality and control issues that needs to be addressed.
Sales are exceeding expectation, but we need to continue to refine our sales strategy.
Employee morale is high, but we need to address some concern about workers' morale.
For making process, we need to stay vigilant and make adjustments as needed. So this is where our conversation ends. Thank you, team.